Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to create a server tag in Discord. First, about the Discord app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in or sign up for your account. Then, tap on the server's name and reach the settings. Here, select the overview and it'll show you the server's name. Scroll down and you'll find the default notification settings. Mark a dot on all messages in the default notification settings. Under the System Managing settings, choose General in the channel. In Inactivate settings, select the No Inactivate channel. By tapping on it, you'll also get the Launch and Stream Room options. You can choose the Stream Room option and it'll automatically select 5 minutes in inactive timeout. After that, tap on the server name and edit the same as you want. Finally, tap on Save in the top right corner and it'll save the changes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.